With PrintWorks Fabric Transfers, you can easily create personalized clothing, accessories, gifts, and more. In this video, we will guide you through the process of achieving professional-looking results with our Vanishing Fabric Transfers. These steps apply to our Vanishing Transfers. Your pack will come with transfer sheets and the instruction sheet. You will also need an inkjet printer, scissors, a lint roller to remove the dust, a pillowcase, an iron, and a hard ironing surface. If using a heat press, refer to the back of the instruction sheet that came with your transfer pack. Last but not least, you need to choose the fabric for your project. Make sure to use the fabric that is 100% cotton or a cotton poly blend. For our Vanishing Transfers, we recommend using only white, off-white, or cream-colored fabrics. When creating a design for our Vanishing Transfers, keep in mind that the transfer is transparent, so the fabric color will show through your design if applied to a colored fabric. Also remember that the transfer is meant to be washed away after embellishing. Printing a thin outline of your design will be easier to wash out, as opposed to large areas of ink coverage. You will also need to mirror or flip the image before printing, especially if your design includes text. There are a few ways to do this depending upon the program you are using. You can find tips on our FAQs page. When it's time to print, we suggest first doing a test print on blank paper to make sure you are happy with the sizing and the coloring. Once you are satisfied, load the paper into your printer so that it prints on the blank, unprinted side. In your printer settings, choose the best quality option for plain paper. Then, let your finished print dry for about 30 minutes before ironing. Next, cut out the transfer. Do not peel away the backer prior to ironing. Set your iron to the maximum linen heat setting. Smooth out the pillowcase onto your ironing surface and iron out any wrinkles. Then place your fabric on top of the pillowcase. Use the lint roller to remove any lint, then iron to remove the wrinkles and moisture from your fabric. Place your transfer on the fabric with the design facing down. You will now see the reason for mirroring your image prior to printing. With firm pressure, begin ironing. Use both hands and move in a straight, non-stop motion, top to bottom, then side to side. Be sure to cover the entire design, including the edges. Keep the iron moving to prevent scorching or yellowing. Here are the optimum ironing times based on the size of your transfer. Note, if your iron sole plate has recessed channels, extra ironing time for up to 1 additional minute may be needed. Allow the fabric to cool completely before removing the backing paper. Hold the fabric in place with one hand, then smoothly and evenly peel away the backing paper with the other hand. Embellish your design as desired. When you are ready to wash away the transfer, evenly stretch the transfer multiple times. This will allow it to crack and wash off more easily. Then wash separately from other clothing in cold water using a normal setting and allow to air dry. And there's your finished project. The only limit is your imagination. What will you create?